Welcome to 10227 Concord Valley Court, located close to Grants Trail with walkable access. Updated kitchen has white shaker cabinets with tons of upgrades. Granite countertop, dual fuel range, and you have gas and electric for a chef's dream. All the cabinets have pullouts, soft close drawers, double pantries with lots of pullouts. Everything your heart desires in a brand new kitchen. This gorgeous Four Seasons room has vaulted ceilings, is wired for speakers and a TV. It leads out to the deck with your private grilling station with stairs to the big flat backyard. This is a place you'll spend lots of time enjoying with your friends and family. Walkout lower level is the ultimate man cave. Wired in speakers, TVs are both wired in for here and in this game area that's back here. So you can have everybody over, have everything going. You actually have extra space for dining. Get ready for game day.